Richmond in the rain. She threw me out again, 'cause I spent all my pay on booze. I can't believe she had the nerve. I guess I got what I deserved, and she was all that I had left to lose. And it's cold here in Richmond tonight, and my car is pointed south on 95. I'm gonna go down to Charleston and get drunk on the Battery, and stroll up and down King Street and find myself a queen, and take her down to the ocean and watch as the waves roll in, and build a castle in the sand and never come home to you. I'll put on the radio and find some rock and roll, where the night is all my own. No one to wonder where I've been. About the time I make north of Sherrod, she'll be expecting me to call and begging to let her man back in. But tonight, girl, you can sit there by the phone, because tonight you know that I don't think he's coming home. I'm gonna go down to Charleston and get drunk on the Battery, to stroll up and down King Street and find myself a queen, and take her down to the ocean and watch as the waves roll in, and build a castle in the sands and never come home to you. Standing here in Richmond in the rain, she threw me out again, 'cause I spent all my pay on